How much should you actually spend on a foam cannon? With so many options, it's like a maze out there. Some people swear by the cheap ones, while others go for the pricey models. But price doesn't always equal quality.
Product number 1, Tool Daily Foam Cannon. Priced at just $17.99, it caught my eye because of its simplicity and effective design. If you want a foam cannon that makes washing your car hassle-free, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It comes with a 1-liter bottle and 5 pressure washer nozzle tips. This means you can adjust the foam thickness to suit your needs, whether you're cleaning a car or a patio. With over 10,000 sold last month, it's definitely a popular choice. The quick connector makes attaching it to your pressure washer a breeze, saving you time and effort when getting set up. Now, some people complained about its build quality feeling a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, it's designed to be effective at an entry-level price point. If you're looking for a starter foam cannon or don't want to invest too much up front, this is a solid option. This is perfect for you if you're just getting into car washing or want a no-fuss solution. Skip this one if you need something heavy-duty for professional use. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the Tool Daily's lower quality bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Chemical Guys Torque Foam Blaster 6. The Chemical Guys Torque Foam Blaster 6. This garden hose attachment is a bit pricier, but it's designed for those who want a worry-free wash. If you want to enjoy thick suds without needing a pressure washer, this is definitely worth checking out. What stands out is its adjustable foaming car wash settings, allowing you to control how much foam you get. This means you can customize your wash from a light rinse to thick suds depending on your needs, which many users find super helpful. And it's made for safe washing, so you don't have to worry about scratches on your vehicle. With over 4,000 sold in the past month, it's clear that people are loving it. However, some users mentioned that it doesn't create as much foam as expected compared to pressure washer models. But honestly, if you're looking for convenience and ease of use, especially for casual cleaning, it still does a great job. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free way to wash your car without needing additional equipment. Skip this if you're after professional level cleaning or a super thick foam experience. It's a great option for the price. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who have a pressure washer.
Product number 3, Astro AI Foam Cannon. Let's talk about the Astro AI Foam Cannon, priced at $22.99. This one really caught my attention due to its heavy-duty design. If you want a foam cannon that works well with pressure washers, this is worth your time. This cannon is built for pressure washers with a PSI range of 1,000 to 3,000, meaning it's versatile for many users. The wide neck design makes it easy to fill with soap, preventing any spills. Plus, the adjustable nozzle allows you to choose how thick the foam is, giving you control over your wash. With 2,000 sold recently, it's getting some nice traction. However, some reviews noted that it can be a bit tricky to clean after use, especially if you don't rinse it properly. But here's the thing, if you're diligent about maintenance, the performance you get from this cannon outweighs that small hassle. This is perfect for you if you have a pressure washer and want something that can tackle tough dirt. Skip this if you're just using a garden hose, as it's really designed for higher-powered systems. For $22.99, you get solid performance. Now, if the Astro AI's cleaning hassle concerns you, the next one is designed with even more durability in mind.
Product number 4, Rain Covo Foam Cannon. The Rain Covo Foam Cannon, priced at $21.59. This one's a standout for its stainless steel filter, which really grabbed my attention. If you want durability and effective cleaning, this could be your go-to. The stainless steel upgrade ensures better resistance against corrosion, meaning it'll last longer than plastic options. It's designed for use with both M22 and 1/4 inch quick connects, making it a versatile choice. Plus, the adjustable nozzle helps you control the foam thickness, which is great for getting into every nook and cranny. With over 1,000 sold in the last month, it's clearly winning hearts. Some users mentioned that it can take a bit of effort to get the right foam consistency on the first try, but honestly, once you get the hang of it, the quality of the wash you get is worth that initial learning curve. This is perfect for you if you want something that combines quality and durability. Skip this if you need something ready to use right out of the box. For the price, it's a solid investment. Alright, that was a great option, but the final product might just be the cherry on top for those who want even more features. Product number 5, Rain Covo Wide Mouth Foam Cannon. We have the Rain Covo Wide Mouth Foam Cannon, priced at $32.99. What impressed me about this one is its build quality and the additional features. If you want a top-tier foam cannon for serious cleaning, you'll want to stick around for this. Like its sibling, this foam cannon features a wide mouth for easy filling and an adjustable nozzle for custom foam thickness. But what sets this apart is the additional 1.1mm orifice nozzle, which enhances foam production at lower pressures, making it a fantastic choice for those using less powerful pressure washers. It's already gaining traction, with over 1,000 sold recently. However, some might find it a bit more expensive compared to the others. But look, if you're serious about car detailing, this extra investment can pay off in terms of performance and cleaning efficiency. This is perfect for you if you want the best foam cannon for car detailing and don't mind spending a little more for added features. Skip this if you're looking for a basic tool. For $32.99, it's a premium option that delivers. So, to wrap things up, if you're just starting out, the Tool Daily is a great entry-level pick. The Chemical Guys offers convenience without a pressure washer, while the Astro Eye provides a solid middle ground for pressure washer owners. The Rain Kovo options deliver on durability and serious cleaning for those who want the best. Each of these cannons has its strengths, so choose based on what fits your needs.
Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options or something more advanced, these foam cannons each have something unique to offer. Make sure to consider what you need most in your car wash routine, and you can't go wrong with any of these picks.